All right, I'm about to show you the best AI agency business model for this year and how to earn $20,000 per month using AI avatars as your primary offer. I want you to take a look at this AI clone I created of myself as a plumber.
Quick drain fix. Pour boiling water, then baking soda, then vinegar.
Listen, I'm not a plumber. I've never fixed a drain in my life. I created this entire thing using AI in about 5 minutes, and I'm using myself as the example here because I don't have consent to clone anyone else. But this is a simple example of what you can do for other business owners. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a marketing agency that generated over $400,000 last month. And I've tested dozens of different service offerings to see what actually gets business owners excited enough to pull out their credit cards. And I haven't seen anything work better than this. Here's how the business model works. You find local business owners who have no social media presence or a terrible one, and you create an AI clone of them or their mascot completely for free as a demo. When they see themselves on screen promoting their business without ever having recorded anything, they're going to want to keep it. That's when you charge them $1,000 per month to create ongoing content and turn that content into actual leads and booked appointments. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how this works, including how to create these clones, how to find clients, and how to build the system that makes you worth $1,000 per month. And if you want to follow along and actually build this business yourself, I have a link in the description where you can get an exclusive 30-day free trial of the software I personally use to manage my over 300 client accounts, called High Level. Plus, you'll get access to my AI Business Blueprint course and community that turns everything I'm showing you into a real business. And quick disclaimer, I am endorsed by High Level and may receive a small commission if you sign up, but I only recommend tools I actually use in my own agency. Also, I've added chapters to this video so you can skip to any section, but I recommend watching the whole thing because each part builds on the last. Let's start with chapter 1, why AI clones are the perfect foot in the door. I've tried a lot of different ways to get the attention of local business owners over the years, and most of them don't work very well anymore. Cold emails get ignored. Facebook ads are expensive, and when you call someone offering marketing services, their eyes glaze over because they've heard the same pitch 100 times. But here's what I've discovered. When you tell a business owner that you created an AI clone of them and ask if they want to see it, they always say yes. It's not even close. The reason is simple. People are naturally curious about themselves. It's like telling someone you drew a portrait of them. Of course, they're going to want to see what it looks like. When that business owner watches their AI clone explaining their services, answering common questions, and sounding exactly like them, something clicks in their brain. They start imagining this version of themselves posting on social media every single day, building their brand, attracting new customers, all while they're out doing the actual work of running their business. But here's the important part that separates this from being a gimmick. The clone itself is just the hook. What you're really selling is a complete system that turns social media content into actual leads and booked appointments using High Level's automation tools. The AI clone gets them excited and gets them on the call. The conversion system is what makes them pay you $1,000 per month and stay with you for years. Now let me show you exactly how to create these clones. I'm going to walk you through 2 examples. First, I'll show you how I clone myself as a plumber to demonstrate the process. And second, I'll show you how to bring a business mascot to life for companies that have cartoon characters in their branding. Chapter 2, how to create AI clones that look incredibly real. The technology that makes all of this possible is called Sora 2, which is OpenAI's video generation model. It has a feature called Characters that lets you create a digital version of yourself that can be placed into any AI generated scene. Let me show you how I created my own character so you can see exactly what the process looks like. First, you open the Sora app and go to your profile settings where you'll see the option to create a character. The app asks you to record a short video of yourself, usually around 3 to 10 seconds, where you speak a few words and turn your head side to side so it can capture your facial features from different angles. You want to do this in good lighting, ideally natural daylight or soft artificial light without harsh shadows. Remove any hats or sunglasses so your face is clearly visible, and make sure you're in a quiet room because the system also captures your voice characteristics. Once you submit the recording, Sora processes it and creates your character, which can then be used in any video you generate. The whole process takes about 2 minutes. Now here's where it gets interesting for creating content. Once you have a character set up, you can write a text prompt describing any scene you want and tag the character to appear in it. Sora 2 will generate the video with your likeness inserted into that environment, matching your appearance and voice with remarkable accuracy. For my plumber demo, I created my character and then wrote a detailed prompt. Here's the beginning of it. Create a 15-second vertical video with the character as a friendly plumber in a blue work shirt, tool belt, and gloves, standing in a bright home kitchen next to a sink. He looks into the camera and speaks clearly. You can pause the video if you want to read the entire prompt for yourself. And here's what Sora 2 generated from that prompt.
Pour boiling water, then baking soda, then vinegar. Wait 5 minutes, flush hot water. And if your sink's making weird noises, check the disposal. That's where I find wedding rings and occasionally marriages.
It's me explaining how to clean a drain and even crack a joke about finding wedding rings in garbage disposals. I never recorded anything, but the output looks like I actually filmed a professional piece of content in someone's kitchen. The dialogue, the visual beats, even the comedy timing at the end, all generated from a text description. So that's example 1, cloning yourself or the business owner. Now let me show you the second approach, which works for businesses that have mascots or characters in their branding. Some companies have cartoon characters associated with their brand. Think about the gecko from Geico or the duck from Aflac. Local businesses sometimes have these too, like a cartoon plumber on their van. With Sora, you can bring these mascots to life. Here's an example. I found a local plumber company that has a cartoon falcon as their mascot. It's on their trucks, their business cards, and their website. To create content with this mascot, I used almost the exact same prompt as before, but instead of tagging my character, I attached a picture of the mascot and changed the beginning of the prompt to using the reference character attached. You can pause the video to read the full prompt. And here's the result.
Quick drain fix. Pour boiling water, then baking soda, then vinegar. Wait 5 minutes, flush hot water. And if your sink's making weird noises, check the disposal. That's where I find wedding rings. And occasionally, marriages.
Same script, same structure, but now it's an animated mascot delivering the content instead of a real person. The Falcon has personality, delivers the joke, and perfectly matches the company's existing branding. When I showed something like this to a business owner, he literally said, "This is the coolest thing I've ever seen." And he immediately understood how a living animated version of his mascot could make his company stand out on social media. But remember, this is just a hook. Eventually, the hype of having this AI content will die down. But what I'm about to show you next is what actually makes clients pay you $1,000 per month and stay with you for years. This is the part most AI content agencies completely miss. Chapter 3, turning content into leads. With high level, here's where most people completely miss the point. They create cool content, they post it on social media, and then they have no idea if it actually did anything. The client sees some likes and maybe some new followers, but they don't see new customers walking through the door. That's not a sustainable business because eventually the client is going to ask, what am I actually getting for my money? And you're not going to have a good answer. The way you solve this is by connecting the content to a complete lead generation system using high level. Let me break this into 2 parts. First, I'll show you what happens when someone sees your client's content. Then I'll show you the automations that turn those viewers into booked appointments. When someone sees your client's AI clone video on social media and they're interested in the service, they need a way to take action. So in every piece of content, you include a call to action that drives them to a specific next step. This could be a link to a booking page, a phone number to call or text, or a comment to DM the business for more information. Now here's where high level comes in. With their website features, you can set up a landing page for the client that captures lead information and books appointments directly onto their calendar. When someone clicks a link, they land on this page, fill out a quick form, and either get added to the CRM as a lead or book themselves onto the calendar automatically. The business owner gets a notification on their phone through the Lead Connector app every time a new appointment comes in so they can respond while the lead is still hot. Now here's where it gets really powerful. High level lets you build automations that nurture these leads automatically. So when someone fills out a form but doesn't book an appointment, they automatically get a follow-up text message the next day asking if they still need help with their plumbing problem or whatever service the business offers. You can also set up an AI voice agent that answers calls when the business owner is busy and books appointments directly onto the calendar. This is what makes your service worth $1,000 per month. You're not just creating content, you're building a complete system that turns social media attention into real revenue for the client. When they can see exactly how many leads came from the content you're creating and how many of those leads turned into booked appointments, they understand the value and they keep paying you month after month. Now, everything I just showed you, the landing pages, the calendar booking, the automations, the lead connector app, all of that is built into High Level. If you want to set this up for yourself, use the link in the description to get a 30-day free trial and access to my AI Business Blueprint course where I walk you through the entire setup step by step. Now, let me show you how to price and position all of this. Chapter 4, pricing your services. So here's what most people are doing wrong. They're trying to sell high-ticket AI services for $3,000 to $5,000 a month. Let me tell you why this is stupid. Number one, local businesses can't afford it. A plumber making $200,000 a year is not going to pay you $5,000 a month for AI automation. That's 30% of their profit margin. What we do is completely different. We charge $1,000 a month, which is the sweet spot. It's high enough that you can make serious money, but low enough that any decent local business can afford it without breaking the bank. For the client, think about what they're getting. They're getting AI-generated content featuring themselves or their mascot, posted consistently on their social media accounts, with a complete back-end system that turns viewers into leads and leads into appointments. If that system brings them even 2 or 3 new customers per month, they're making way more than $1,000 in profit from those customers, especially for service businesses like plumbers, HVAC companies, or dentists where jobs can be worth thousands of dollars. Here's how I suggest structuring the offer. The AI clone demo is completely free. You create it before you ever talk to them, and you use it to get the meeting and wow them on the call. When they want to move forward, you charge a one-time setup fee of $500 to build out their complete high-level system, including the landing pages, calendar integration, automation sequences, and CRM setup. Then they pay $1,000 per month, which covers ongoing content creation with their AI clone, posting and scheduling through High Level, maintenance of their automation systems, and a set number of content pieces per week, which I usually set at 3 to 5 videos. You can also offer add-ons as the relationship develops, things like AI voice agents for handling phone calls, reputation management and review requests, email and text marketing campaigns, and additional content volume. These add-ons can bring your average client value up to $1,500 or even $2,000 per month over time. Now that you understand the full value of what you're offering, let me show you exactly how to find clients who need this. Chapter 5, finding clients who will say yes. Now that you know exactly what you're selling and why it's worth $1,000, let's talk about where to find people who will actually pay you. The best clients for this service are business owners who are the face of their company. These are people whose personal brand is tied directly to their business, where customers are hiring them specifically, not just a faceless company. Think about real estate agents, lawyers, dentists, chiropractors, personal trainers, consultants, financial advisors, insurance agents, and so on. These people know their face should be everywhere. They see other professionals in their industry building massive followings on social media, getting inbound leads, and becoming the go-to person in their market. But they're not posting. Why? Because they're busy actually running their business. They don't have time to sit down, figure out what to say, record themselves, edit the video, write captions, and post consistently. So they keep putting it off week after week while their competitors build audiences and steal market share. This is the problem you solve. You give them a version of themselves that shows up every single day without them having to do anything. Here's how to find these people systematically. Go to Instagram and search for your target profession plus your city, like Atlanta plumber. What you're looking for are professionals who either don't show up at all or have accounts with fewer than 1,000 followers and no posts in the last 30 days. These are people who clearly started with good intentions but couldn't keep up with the content grind. When you find someone like this, go check their website. Look for their bio, their headshot, or mascot. Now you have everything you need to reach out to them. The outreach itself is simple. You call or email them and say something like, "Hey, I created an AI clone of you to help you build a social media presence without having to be on camera or spend hours creating content. I would love to jump on a quick call and show it to you. Do you have 10 minutes this week?" Almost everyone says yes because they want to see their clone. On the call, you get their consent to use their image and start generating their clone. While it is processing, you explain how the AI clone works and what you will need from them to make it even better. 9 times out of 10, their reaction is some version of, "Whoa, that's crazy, I need this." This is when you transition into explaining how this clone can post content for their business every single day, build their social media following, and most importantly, turn those followers into actual leads and appointments. Because you already understand the full system from chapter 3 and 4, you can confidently walk them through exactly how this works and why it's worth $1,000 per month. Chapter 6, what to do with this skill. If you're serious about starting this business, there's a couple of things you need to do right now. First, test out Sora AI for yourself. Create your clone so you see what's possible. Second, click the link in the description and sign up for high level using my exclusive link. You'll get a 30-day free trial instead of the standard 14 days, which gives you twice as much time to land your first client before you pay anything. Plus, when you use my link, you'll get instant access to my AI Business Blueprint course. Businesses everywhere are waiting for someone like you to come along and solve their social media problem. They know they need to be posting content, they know they're missing out on customers, and they have no idea what to do about it. You can be the person who shows up with the solution. Coming up next, I have 2 more videos about how I use AI to create content and turn it into real revenue. So check those out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.